Hello everyone, here's Evita. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back in the garden. It's a very beautiful day. It's been like this all day long and it will be the same kind of weather in the next 3 days. So I'd like to finish up a garden chore that I started before Easter. I have a patch of irises behind the raised bed, white and yellow flowering ones that didn't really bloom last year because it's overcrowded with all kinds of ground coverings like these anemone sylvestris over here and some blue flowering periwinkles. So I'd like to show you what I did. It's not all done, but I'd like to fertilize a little and then that should do it. It should put up more blooms this year. Oh, look at that. There are some buds already. I didn't get finished. I still have to pull out some periwinkles and anemones. But yeah, I'm really happy. Now I have some yellow and white irises blooms again. I'm really happy that the irises started to put out some buds again. So I'll give it some fertilizer. I have an organic fertilizer that I use all over the garden. Of course, you can use a special mixture for irises with an NPK of 10-10-10, I think, or 5-10-10. But I've been using my organic fertilizer. Oh, there's a crow. Really loud. Anyway, I've been using this organic fertilizer all over the garden for many years now, and I always get good results. I think I have to get some new gloves. So this is the one that I use. It's Oscorna Animalin, and it's organic fertilizer. So it is powder, so I just scatter some all over. Still have to clean that area. And just use this tool here just to scratch the soil a little, just to mix that powder here. So after fertilizing, I always make sure I water really good so that the fertilizer can get dissolved and the plants can absorb the nutrients they need. As soon as the buds start to open, I will give you an update. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now.